can't trust a hoe, you know how I go. I ain't crazy, I keep the phone on Nintendo. You can't play me, niggas, bitches love me, wanna fuck me, that's why they hate me. Escaped death twice, so I guess I got time to take me.
Yo, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be showing you how to hide your home screen apps and your home screen pages on iOS 14. Let's get straight into it. First thing first, hold down on the screen. Wait till you see those dots at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Once you tap on it, it should take you to this section of your phone, which is edit pages. And as you can see, at the bottom of the pages, you should see a check mark with a circle around it. Tap on it if you want to hide it. And tap on it again if you want to have it re-pop back up again. But I'm going to tap on it to hide it so I can show you our proof. Now if you go over here, the apps is gone. If you go back into it, unhide it, the apps is back. That's all you really got to do. That's it for this tutorial. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.